All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Well, onto this says, and I quote, "Don't come near Yoruba land. YRA wants nomad vigilante group." All right, my people, the news in details. Well, onto this, Yoruba Regional Alliance are self-determination groups of Yoruba indigents across the world. On Wednesday said the Nomad Vigilante group launched by Fulani group called Miyetti Allah Kotal Hall will not be allowed to operate in any part of Yoruba land. Recall that Miyetti Allah Kotal Hall launched a 1,144-man nomad vigilante group to address various security challenges, including banditry, kidnapping, and then cattle rustling in Nasarawa State. Well, onto this, with the news reaching us, a lot of people have actually reacted onto this one, and then it has been made clear, don't come near Yoruba land though. Yes, so and the YRA as one nomad vigilante group that had been organized by this group of people. Well, onto the fact, the leadership of the YRA, while speaking at a press conference held at Dakbo Aderogba Conference Hall, Nigerian Union of Journalists Yakangu GRA Ibadan, said that if any member of the vigilante group are deployed to Yoruba land, be in Kogi, Kwara, or Edo, or Southwest, or Ogun, Ondo, or Osun, Ekiti, and Lagos, they will be regarded as alien invading force and they will be treated as such. The group, which queried the federal government's inability to fish out perpetrators of a gangan attack or bomb blast and then other attacks in Yoruba state, insisted that Yoruba land seems to be the target of all of Nigeria's jihadist, ethnic, jingoist, and then bandits till today. The perpetrators of the Igagan and then Owo atrocities are yet to be apprehended and then brought to book. As far as we are concerned, they seem to be above the law or are being protected by the law enforcement agencies. While describing the steps as a move towards anarchy, YRA said the federal government of Nigeria is hereby put on notice that this is a recipe for anarchy, as we shall not accept it under any guise. The result, of course, will be predictable anarchy. Well, meanwhile, all parts of Yoruba land are advised accordingly. Under no circumstances will they be welcomed or accepted anywhere in Yoruba land. Whoever is toying with that thought of deploying them to Yoruba land should immediately perish the thought. They maintained that knowing how the Fulani work, we know they are flying a kite and then testing the waters before they delve into something more sinister and diabolical. Well, any ethnic group in Nigeria is free to train and then deploy vigilantes to protect their lives and their properties, insofar as they keep such operatives within their recognized community borders, states, or homelands, and they do not constitute a threat to their neighbors. This Miyetti Allah endeavor is a recipe for chaos, anarchy, and then complete bedlam. These are trained soldiers disguised as vigilantes, and they will only continue the grim culture of attacks on our people if they are allowed to function in Yoruba land. Well, a permanent solution is dissolution of the Nigerian Federation, where each part can practice the kind of civilization they so desire that will usher in eternal peace We have always demanded our exit from this Nigerian contraption and the establishment of our own nation, they concluded. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what we are talking about. Don't come near Yoruba land. YRA wants nomad vigilante group, okay, to stay clear. All right, and then this is very strong. Yes, the YRA, talking about the Yoruba Regional Alliance, a self-determination group of Yoruba indigenes across the world, have made it clear on Wednesday, and they have said that nomad vigilante group launched by the Fulani group called Miyetti Alakata will not be allowed to operate in any part of Yoruba land. All right, I know a lot of people are ready to tackle this. Well, this is so strong, and this is exactly what we are actually talking about. Yes, kudos to you, YRA. Yes, so please tell them, because they don't listen to gentle admonition. Well, they believe in violence. They live all their lives with sword, two-legged animals. All right, that's so serious. I think everybody needs to be very careful and be vigilant this time around. Yes, and then a lot of people are of the opinion that this set of Fulani people, they already know their agenda. The Yoruba people needs to be wise this time around. Yes, so wherever you are from the southwestern part of Nigeria, we have to be very, very vigilant, because this set of people, they will not tell us that they have been able to take care of their own people. At least they should face their own people. They should secure their own people. We know how to secure our own lives and property. We don't want them in Yoruba land. Exactly what the people are talking about. They should remain wherever they are, because this is a trick. And I've said it times to that number. We are saying it again. This is a trick for them to dominate Yoruba land and then start causing havoc. And then, according to what had been gathered, well, it had been made clear that the real reason for their formation will soon come out. Every tribe in Nigeria should have its own vigilante, which is as just simple as that. And the Nigerian army, this is a slap on your faces. So please, well, a lot of people are still of the opinion that this set of people, the formation is just coming from the Fulani people, and they are actually employing some retired soldiers of the Fulani, and they want this set of people to come and dominate Yoruba land, which will not be accepted. Yes, that will make clear that this is a very great move for the YRA, and it's a very welcome idea in the hands of the Yoruba people. Well, according to Kayode made it clear that get prepared not by mouth, because these people, when they plan evil, they carry it out to the last letter. Okay, Yoruba land has already been infiltrated with the spate of kidnapping, rape, and then assault in Kogi, Kwara, Edo, Ondo, Ekiti, Oyo, and then Ogun. Only Lagos is exempted for now. Okay, that's another strong one, meaning our people themselves need to wake up on this. Yoruba nation is the answer by the grace of God. This one is coming from Sokomi Ibrahim. That's so strong. Well, according to Idowu Oluwase, he says, well, Yorubas are not ignorant of this entity. They thought because the president is Yoruba man, so our agitation will die down. They calculate wrong. All we want is safety and the protection of our people. Like I used to say, every inch of our land will be protected with our blood. We are born to protect our land. We are Yorubas. We fear no one. Be warned, our land is our red line. All right, this has been said by Idowu Oluwase. Yes, as it stands right now, I can hear a lot of people talking about the fact that Yoruba nation is just the solution. Let everybody be vigilant to let us protect our land. We don't need them. Is it by force? And a lot of things though had actually been said. Onto this one, my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.